Have you ever pondered about the sheer power that language holds? Language, a complex tapestry woven from countless threads of human interaction, has evolved remarkably over the eons. It began as a primitive form of communication, a system of signs and sounds that our ancestors used to express their most basic needs and emotions. Over time, these rudimentary signals developed into complex structures, giving birth to the intricate languages we speak today. Language is not just a tool for communication, it is an embodiment of our history, our culture, and our collective consciousness. It is the glue that binds societies together and the lens through which we perceive the world. It is the medium through which we express our thoughts, our dreams, and our deepest emotions. Imagine a world teeming with 7,000 distinct languages, each a unique artifact of human ingenuity. Each language, from the most widely spoken to those on the brink of extinction, holds a wealth of knowledge and wisdom about the people who speak it and the culture it represents. Consider, for instance, the concept of language families. Just as humans share common ancestors, so do languages. Over time, as human societies diverged, so too did their languages. Every language, therefore, is a branch on the vast tree of human lingual diversity, each bearing its own unique set of features, grammar, and vocabulary. The story of language evolution is a testament to human adaptability and creativity. From the harsh, guttural sounds of ancient tongues to the melodic cadences of modern languages, each linguistic shift mirrors the ebb and flow of human history. The power of words is truly fascinating. They can inspire, provoke, soothe, and enlighten. They can bridge gaps, mend fences, and build bridges. They can ignite revolutions and foster peace. They are a testament to our capacity for innovation, a mirror reflecting our shared histories, and a window into our diverse cultures. So next time when you utter a word, pause for a moment. Marvel at the rich tapestry of human history and culture that it represents. Remember, every word you speak is a small piece of a grand, ongoing human story. Language evolution paints a fascinating picture of human history and cultural diversity. Did you know that the language you speak can influence how you perceive the world? That's right, the words we use and the structure of our speech can shape our thoughts and perceptions. This concept is known as linguistic relativity, a theory suggesting that our view of the world is fundamentally linked to the language we speak. For instance, consider how different languages encode colors. Some languages have a single word encompassing what English speakers would call blue and green. Others have multiple words for different shades of blue. These linguistic differences can lead speakers of different languages to categorize and perceive colors differently. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Think about how languages handle time. In English, we speak about time linearly. Events happen in the past, present, or future. However, in some indigenous languages, time is perceived cyclically, with events recurring in cycles rather than progressing linearly. This can influence how speakers of these languages perceive the world and their place in it. And it's not just about colors or time. Language can also shape our identity and societal dynamics. The way we talk about gender, for example, can influence our understanding of gender roles and identities. Some languages, like Swedish, have adopted gender-neutral pronouns, which can challenge traditional gender norms and promote equality. In addition, societal power dynamics can be reflected and reinforced through language. The way we refer to different social groups, the words we use to describe wealth and poverty, or the terms we use to talk about race and ethnicity, all these can subtly shape our perceptions and attitudes. But language is not a rigid, unchanging entity. It evolves as societies change, and as we consciously use it to challenge prevailing norms and biases. We can use language to question, to redefine, and to shape new realities. Language, thus, not only reflects, but also shapes our understanding and experience of the world. It's a powerful tool, both revealing and influencing the way we see ourselves and the world around us. In an increasingly interconnected world, how does the diversity of languages come into play? As we navigate this global village, it's clear that multilingualism isn't just a neat party trick. It's a powerful tool, a passport that opens up borders, minds, and opportunities. The benefits of multilingualism are manifold, from cognitive advantages, such as improved problem-solving skills and creativity, to social benefits like enhanced cultural understanding and empathy. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The challenges of multilingualism are as real as the benefits. Think about the time, effort, and resources required to learn and maintain multiple languages, especially for non-native speakers. The struggle is real, but so are the rewards. In the context of globalization, multilingualism becomes even more critical. As the world shrinks, the need for effective communication expands. Language is more than just a means of communication. It's a bridge that connects cultures, fosters mutual understanding, and facilitates collaboration. The ability to converse in multiple languages allows us to tap into diverse perspectives, understand different cultural contexts, and navigate the global landscape with ease and confidence. Now let's talk about English. It's no secret that English has emerged as a global lingua franca, a common language that enables communication between people from different linguistic backgrounds. But what does this mean for non-English speakers? On the one hand, it's a ticket to participate in the global discourse, a key to unlock opportunities in education, business, and beyond. But on the other hand, it also poses challenges. The dominance of English can marginalize other languages and cultures, creating a linguistic divide that can lead to social and economic disparities. So where does this leave us? The answer lies in a balanced approach. While recognizing the importance of English in our globalized world, we must also value and promote linguistic diversity. Every language is a unique lens through which we perceive the world, and each one adds rich layers to our collective human experience. Multilingualism opens up new horizons, bridging gaps between cultures and fostering global understanding. Let's embrace it, let's celebrate it, and let's harness its power to create a more inclusive, interconnected world. As languages evolve and interact, what happens to languages that are at risk of disappearing? A pressing question indeed. With the constant evolution and interaction of languages, there are those that unfortunately are on the brink of extinction. This issue is not just about losing words or grammar rules, but it's also about losing an integral part of a community's culture and history. Language preservation and revitalization are thus critical. Languages, especially those endangered, carry with them an immense cultural and historical significance. They are more than a communication tool. They are the carriers of a community's identity, traditions, and knowledge. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our shared human history. But why should we care? Why should we invest time, resources, and effort into preserving languages that might not have a large number of speakers? To put it simply, because linguistic diversity matters. Just as we value biodiversity for the health of our planet, we should value linguistic diversity for the health of our human culture. Each language offers a unique way of viewing the world, a unique philosophy, and a unique set of wisdom. When a language dies, we lose a unique perspective, a different way of interpreting and interacting with the world. Let's ponder the ethical considerations surrounding language rights. Every community has the right to use, maintain, and develop their own languages. Denying these rights or allowing a language to die due to neglect or indifference is not only ethically questionable, but it also strips away the cultural identity of that community. The role of individuals, communities, and institutions in preserving linguistic heritage cannot be overstated. It is a collective responsibility that we all share. From learning and teaching endangered languages, to documenting and researching them, to creating policies that protect and promote them, we all have a part to play. And as we move forward, let's remember, the preservation of linguistic diversity is a testament to the richness of human culture and history. It's a testament to our shared past, our present diversity, and our future potential.